How to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to amazon.com and aliexpress.com. And if you have no idea what is Amazon and AliExpress, so Amazon is a multinational technology company and one of the largest online marketplaces. And over the years, Amazon has expanded its businesses to sell a wide range of products, including electronics, clothing, home goods, and more. While the other one is the AliExpress, in which it is an online retail platform owned by the Alibaba Group, which is a Chinese multinational conglomerate, and AliExpress primarily connects Chinese sellers with international buyers, offering a wide range of products at competitive prices. AliExpress operates as a marketplace where independent sellers can list and sell their products to customers worldwide. And now that we know the background information about Amazon and AliExpress, we can now start dropshipping using these two platforms. However, in terms of dropshipping, there is no option that enable us to dropship from Amazon to AliExpress or vice versa. We can still do that using some process, and that is why I make a scheme diagram that shows how it's work. As you can see here, we have the customer or buyer, and if the buyer bought a specific products on Amazon, we will get notified as a dropshipper, and all we need to do is to find the specific products of Amazon to other platform called AliExpress, and what we need to do is to input the details such as the personal information including the address of the buyer after we find the items that the buyers order from Amazon. Make sure that you look for a cheaper products for our profit as a drop shipper, but at the same time order the same items that has been placed order by the buyer. And now let's try to do that. So from the amazon.com, to start the process of drop shipping, the first thing that we need to do is to look for an items that are high in demand or many people has been bought. And let's say this memory card amounting to $48.75, which is a SanDisk 512 gig micro SD card. Or alternatively, if you're looking for a 5-star rating products, you can click the 5-star rating on the left side panel. And after that, it will show you some of the electronics products that has a 5-star rating. You can also see here the number of items that has been sold in this specific products. And as you can see here, these items has been sold to over 51,000 buyers. To select this product, kindly click on it and you will be directed in this page, in which from here, it will show you the preview picture of the items or products, its title, the description below, the number of variations that is available, and any other details about this product. And after selecting the products, the next thing that we need to do is to go to other platforms called Aliexpress to look for the exact item, which is 512 micro SD card. To do that, all you need to do is to copy the title of it from the Amazon and just paste the title on the search bar of Aliexpress. And upon doing so, you will be directed in this result. And from here, all you need to do is to look for the same items with a cheaper price. And as you can see here, the price here are in the currency of peso, while on Amazon is on currency of US dollar. So what we need to do is just convert the price of USD on Amazon to Philippine peso in AliExpress. From here, as you can see, we will find the same items and also with a cheaper price. Since this item amounting to 2,333 pesos, while the price on Amazon amounting to 2,632 pesos, if we convert this 48.75 US dollars. So that means if we subtract the difference of the prices, we will have a profit of almost 5.6 US dollars. So that means if the customer or buyer place an order to Amazon of this item, all we need to do is to look for the same item with a 5-star rating and cheaper prices so that we can have a profit if the customer try to buy the specific item. In which all you need to do is to click the Buy Now button and input the details of the buyer or customer's address and personal information. And since the next process is listing products and setting prices, in which you, as a dropshipper, will list the selected products on the online store and setting the prices at which they will sell them to customers. And once again, it is important to consider factors like market demand, competition, and profit margins when setting prices. And from here, on Aliexpress website, after we find the specific items that order of the customer from Amazon, we can now start copying all of this information, including the title of these items, the main images, and even the description image, or even the variant images. And you can do that manually by selecting any of those information or details, but that kind of process will take you so long to input every details of this item. And therefore, to make your life easy in copying, such as the description, the main images, the description image, and the variant image, all you need to do is to download a browser extension called Aliexpress, in which by downloading or adding this extension to your browser, you will be able to easily save some of the picture, such as main images, description image, and variant image on specific items in Aliexpress by clicking some of the options on the top panel. And aside from that, by clicking all options, you will also be able to add or copy the description from Aliexpress. And aside from that, below here are some of the specifications, including the compatible brand model, brand name, and any other specifications. And after copying all of those details, just go to Amazon.com and proceed by clicking the sell options in order to proceed listing products and setting the prices. And when a customer places an order on a dropshipper's online store and completes the payment, the dropshipper receives the order details and payment, which it will notify the supplier. Then the dropshipper then forwards the order details to the supplier, including the customer's shipping address and the other necessary information. And after supplier fulfills the order, the supplier, upon receiving the order information, is responsible for picking, packing, and shipping the product directly to the customer, in which the package typically does not include any branding or information indicating it came from the supplier. Then for the last process is the shipment notification, in which the supplier provides the dropshipper with tracking information or updates on the order's shipment status, and after that, the dropshipper can then inform the customer about the shipment details. And by utilizing the dropshipping model, retailers can focus on marketing, customer service, and managing the online store while leaving the logistics of inventory management and order fulfillment to the supplier. However, it's worth noting that dropshipping also has its challenges, since dropshipper does not have direct control over the inventory or shipping. There can be issues with product availability, delayed shipments, or potential quality concerns. So basically, as I said earlier, the dropshipping between Amazon and Aliexpress cannot be done directly, but it is possible in following several steps, which is also shows in this scheme diagram, in which if the customer buy a product on Amazon and you as a dropshipper will get notified, and the next thing that you need to do to look for the similar items with cheaper price and place an order to Aliexpress and input the information or details of the customer or buyer. And for that, you will earn profit on Amazon from Aliexpress. So that is just how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. Thank you.